I made one decision that slowly messed up my entire financial life. And I didn't feel like a mistake at the time. I've been talking about my situation, but the biggest reason behind it is something I avoided admitting for a long time. I don't come from a financially strong background, so somewhere I always had this mindset of trying to get ahead quickly, and that's where it started. For years, I got involved in gambling. At the beginning, I had control. I had income, fewer responsibilities, and still chose to get into it. I genuinely believed I could make money from it. I treated it like an opportunity, but slowly it changed. Losses started building, and instead of stopping, I kept going because in my head I thought I could recover from it. One good win and everything would be fine. That was my thought process. But that never happened. And that's when things started getting worse. To deal with those losses, I started taking loans. And before I even realized it, it became a cycle. Losses, loans, trying to recover, and repeating the same thing again. And it kept pulling me deeper. That's how I ended up here. And now I see it clearly. This is something I have to break.